Hey there, are you ready to start your journey to a straighter smile with ALIGNERCO clear aligners? In this video, we'll show you step by step how to achieve precise teeth impressions.
Inside your ALIGNERCO impression kit, you'll find everything you need to take accurate dental impressions right from the comfort of your own home. Prior to making your dental impressions, there are a few things to keep in mind. Make sure you have access to a time clock. Use the one on your phone. Clean your hands and teeth. Wash your hands thoroughly and brush your teeth before you begin the impression process. Identify upper and lower trays. The tray with the palate guard is the upper tray, and the one without the palate guard is the lower tray. Ensure the trays fit your mouth properly before mixing the putty. Now let's move on to making your dental impressions. It's crucial to provide good dental impressions for us to fabricate the perfect aligners for your treatment. Take 1 jar of coloured putty and 1 jar of white putty mix. Knead them together with your palms and fingers until they blend into a single colour without any white streaks. Roll the blended putty between your palms into a sausage shape. Now place the putty sausage on the tray and use your thumbs and fingertips to spread the putty evenly up to the brim. Position the tray in your mouth with the handle in the centre. Softly bite into the middle of the putty and apply even pressure with your thumbs for the upper impression and fingertips for lower impression. Ensure your lip is over the tray when making the impression. Gently hold the tray and stay put for 4 minutes and 30 seconds. After the designated time, gently remove the tray in one swift motion. Keep the impressions safely in their respective trays and avoid removing them. Email 2 to 3 pictures of the made impression from different angles to your smile specialist. Wait for us to sign you off before making the other impressions. Once you've completed all the impressions, it's time to send them back to us. Use the provided prepaid return label to ship all 4 impressions back to us. Once we receive your impressions, it will take us approximately 7 to 10 business days to create your smile projection. Upon your approval of the smile projection, we will begin working on your aligners. This process typically takes around 3 weeks. So what are you waiting for? Order your ALIGNERCO impression kit today and take the first step towards your dream smile. Thanks for watching.